Yummy, juicy fruits are not only good for our health but also good for our skin. When you're looking for a smooth, fresh, and radiant face, consider transferring the goodness of the fruit to the skin with the help of a DIY fruit facial. Fresh fruit extracts are known to improve the appearance of the skin while significantly improving its health and appearance. And the great thing about this fruit facial is that you don't need to visit to a parlor to get it done. You can do it at any time right from the comfort of your own home and a few easy steps without spending big bucks. Hello friends and welcome to Glow Pink. My name is Garima. Today I'm going to show you at-home facial that will suit all skin types. To stay up to date with our latest videos and amazing remedies, make sure you subscribe to Glow Pink channel and don't forget to turn on the notifications. So the first step in any facial is cleanser. Now to make this cleanser, you will need raw milk and some lemon juice. You should wash your face with a mild soap or some other gentle facial cleanser. It is recommended, however, you can make use of cold raw milk for this. Being among the best natural cleansers, raw milk will help you to keep the pores dirt-free and make the skin shiny. For better results, prepare a natural cleansing solution by combining some fresh lime juice and some standard raw milk. Dip a cotton ball in this solution and wash away all the grim from your face by rubbing the ball in circular upward motion. Often wash your face with lukewarm water after you have done applying the cleanser. Being highly acidic, lime juice has astringent properties that will help you to reduce and development of sebum on the skin. The citric acid in the lemon can treat non-inflammatory acne as blackheads by dissolving dead skin cells. Lemon also have good antimicrobial and antifungal properties that drive inflammatory acne causing bacteria as well as itchy skin away. After cleansing, the next step comes, which is an exfoliation. So for this exfoliating mask, you will need lemon peel powder, oatmeal, and some rose water. Without good exfoliation, your facial would have no good impact. So prepare a soft homemade scrub by mixing oatmeal, lemon peel powder, and rose water. Anti-inflammatory oatmeal prevents dry, irritated skin by removing dead skin cells off the surface of the skin, soothing the associated itchiness. Lemon peel powder and rose water, on the other hand, moisturizes and rejuvenates the skin to give it a good look. Gently exfoliate your face with this mixture for about 4 to 5 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. You can substitute the lemon peel powder with raw milk or fresh yogurt and make an uneven paste on your face. Yogurt or milk hydrates, moisturizes, and nourishes the skin well after deep exfoliation. Moving on to the third step, which is a skin brightening face mask. Now to make this mask, you will need banana, strawberries, honey, and some milk. You can prepare it by mashing some bananas and strawberries to the smooth pulp and mixing a little honey as well as milk with mashed fruits. Apply this creamy mask on your face and neck for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Facial massage is a perfect way to relax your facial muscles while enhancing the blood supply to the skin and toning it up. In addition, when packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and other skin-friendly nutrients, these fruits that help to moisturize, nourishes, and revitalize your skin from within. When done with your fruit facial, be sure to take care of your skin in the following ways. Wait until your skin warms up and the pores looks clean and refreshed. Keep away from washing and rubbing the skin for up to 2 hours after the facial. You should clean your face with cold water if it feels too oily after the treatment. Do not go out in the sun or apply makeup straight after the facial. Stick to a natural face wash to clean your face up to 1 to 2 days after facial. So that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to Glowpink for more such videos. Till then, I'm Garima signing off today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. From tan to detan in no time naturally. Glowpink Detan Skin Whitening Face Pack. Reduces sun damage, provides glowing and bright skin instantly. Removes the dead skin to get a soft and smooth texture. Age-old proven ingredients for skin whitening and brightening like licorice powder, glycerine, orange peel powder, multani mitti. Suitable for all skin types, Glowpink Detan Skin Whitening Face Pack is now available on glowpink.com. Check out now. Get a 10% discount now on any combo purchase on glowpink.com. Exclusive only for our YouTube viewers. Use coupon code YouTube10.